your father.
No matter how you love your brother, just know we will take him from you soon. Noted.
Honey, what is this?
Did you take my briefcase from here?
After the test conducted, we found out that he's suffering from heart complications.
What?
Are you stupid? You're talking nonsense here.
At this point, I'm very disappointed.
Auntie, if I am not sure of what I want to say, I won't.
Complete that statement and you will lose your job. You will pack everything you have in this house and get out. So if you prepare the food, what then happens to it?
They're becoming very scary. My children are under your care. I have my eyes on you. I am watching you very closely.